Hey everyone, and in this video I will show you guys how to install the software for the laser glass separator machine. So when you get the laser machine, please connect the laser machine with your PC. So after you connect everything, we are going to download the software. So the address for download is imtdown.com. HTML. Okay, here we go. So this is Chinese, but it does not matter. So you just click here, download. Here ask me open, save, or other. Let's save. So it's downloading, 15%. Okay, let's open. So your computer maybe will ask you if to agree to install this or not. You say agree, just agree. Okay, so here is the software. Open it. So see more details, more information. Still want to run this software. So now we are going to install this software. So here is for changing, select the language. So English, that's what we want. Okay. Next. Yes. Next. Install. Next. Agree. Install. So if you bought the PC from Master, I mean the PC come with the laser machine. If you buy the PC from Master, you don't have to do this because we already installed everything, the software, everything for you. You just click and use it. Okay. But if you use the laser machine with your own PC, you have to do this. Okay. Finish. Okay. Now installation finish. So this is the one we will use. It's Chinese name. We can rename it. Okay, so now let's open. Okay, it's opened. So first we have to download. Download means you are going to download all the file from the internet, okay? Because this PC is already connected with Wi-Fi with internet. Just press download. Where download and replace all local modes. Are you sure? Yes. Now it's downloading. Just wait a moment. It's downloading the files. So it will take about 5 minutes for downloading the files. I already waited about 4 minutes. So in the meantime, I want to show you guys after you finish the installation, if your system, this software is still Chinese, it's not English, please come here. This is for setting. Here the last one is language. You can select. Okay, so select English. Okay, then it will save the setting. Okay, so files almost finished. Okay, downloading down. So now we are going to select a brand. What kind of brand the mobile phone you want to try. So here we have Apple, Huawei, Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, many brands. But I think most of you guys you just using for Apple and Samsung. Don't choose this Apple B or Huawei B. This B is useless. So we just choose Apple. For example, Apple. Now model, you select a model like iPhone 6. This is 6 screen. Screen means the front glass. Okay. Here is a back cover, 8+ back cover. Screen is front glass. Here is back cover. So for example, if now we select 6 screen, after you finish, you press download. You just press load to load the file. So look at it. This is the front glass. This is the front glass of 6. Okay. So after you load the file, you are going to put your screen on the laser machine. So before we remove the frame, we have to do the autofocus. You just need to put the screen there, and then ruler you put it here, and then you press autofocus. See? Okay. When you see this indicator is green, which means the focus is finished. So now let's put it back. This machine is automatic. It does not have a crank, so you don't need a ruler and to do the measuring. It's really convenient. Okay. So here we have F1, F2, F3. F1 is for red light. Red light is just for to check if the alignment, everything, if it is good or not. So when you put the screen on the laser machine, you press F1 and check the red light. If everything is good, the alignment is properly, then you can stop. After that, you press F2. F2 will start to do the marking. Okay, the laser machine will start to work. Okay, so this is the demonstration video for how to use the software. But as what I told you guys, if you buy the PC from Master, we will pre-install everything for you. But if you did not buy from us the computer, you use your own laptop or computer, you have to go to the website, like the one I showed you guys. Go to that website and download. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.